pin crimps, they only fit in a certain way. You have the insulation at the back, and then you have the actual crimp on it itself. So you only need to take off enough for it to catch. So find the right size, pull it through, put the pin crimp over. Should just be at the end of poking through. And then using these, all you're doing is crimping the metal. You're not crimping the plastic. Squeeze, press, release, and it's done. And that's it. Really put the pin crimp on. What you can do with this one is to ensure that there's nothing showing. You make that little bit longer, and then you ease it down and you pull back on it, so you're actually compressing the sleeve. Hold it, crimp it, and that way you've got nothing showing there. Trim it. Do the same on that one.